this video has been designed to discuss some basic concepts about WordPress. I'm already logged into my WordPress account and it automatically defaults to the Reader section. I want to access my blog page, so I'm going to click on My Sites. Once I click on My Sites, I now want to click on WP Admin to access my dashboard. Once I access the dashboard, I can now add content and edit my pages. I'm now going to click on Pages. Once I click on Pages, I can edit any of the previous pages that I've created, or I can add a new page. Let's click Add New. So once you click on Add a New Page, first you want to enter a title for the page, so I'll just put Test for now. And then we have the HTML editor, which is very similar to the one you would see in Moodle. So you have your basic tools that you have for bolding and italicizing, but you also have one button that will help is insert read more tags. So if you have a lot of text for a blog post, but you don't want the reader to have to scroll all the way down, this is really great to add into your HTML editor and into your text so they can click on a link to read more so they don't have to scroll all the way through your blog page. You also have the Add Media button, which allows you to add images and also automatically embed YouTube videos without having to actually insert the embed code. If you do want to access embed code, you simply click Text, and now we're in the embed code form right now. So if you had any code that you were looking for to embed, that's how you would go about doing that. Now let's take a look at some of the publishing options. For the visibility, you have the option to make this a private page. So if I click Edit, I'll have a drop-down menu appear, and I can make this page public. You can have the page be password protected or private. If you don't want any of those options, you simply click Cancel. You can save the draft and come back to it later, or you can click Publish once you're satisfied with all of the content that you've added for the page. If you click on Page Attributes, you can also add a parent page to it, and you can also change the order of the page as well. Let's click on Add Media, and let's take a look at what the process is like for adding a YouTube video. So I'm going to click Add Media. Now I'm going to click Insert YouTube. I've copy and pasted a YouTube link already, so I'm going to copy and paste that right into the Search YouTube field here, and now I'm going to click Search. Now I'm going to click the video that I want, which is this TED Talk, and you'll see a blue check mark once I've selected that video. Now I'm going to click Insert. And now you can see that the YouTube video link has been inserted into the HTML editor. Now I'm going to click Publish. And once that loads, we'll be able to see this embedded YouTube video. So once I click Publish, I'm now going to go to My Sites. And now I'm going to click on View Site to see the embedded video. So the page is called Test, so I'm clicking on Test. And there's the YouTube video automatically embedded with the link. This concludes the video on some of the basic concepts of WordPress.